5 minutes of listening.
How is it going?
Quite good. I don't know.
You look so happy. Is there anything new in your love?
Actually, yes.
Wow, what is that? Why don't you tell me anything?
Here, I'm going to tell you today.
Okay, tell me.
I have known a man. His name is John. And you know what? I fell in love with him at first sight.
What? Really?
Yes, but after that, I don't want to be in love with him, and then I like him again, and...
What are you saying? Why did you stop telling?
I don't know, what should I say now?
You make me so curious about this story. Please, tell me the whole story.
It's a long story. I will tell you about our first date after he confessed to me.
Sure.
I can't believe that we have a lot of differences.
Differences? For example?
We have dated in a park and...
It's a good place for dating.
Okay, and I was surprised when I knew that he was afraid of cockroaches.
Oh, that's so funny. You are not afraid of it, aren't you?
Right.
And then?
I pretended that I took a cockroach and teased him. He panicked and ran all over the park. His charming image has been tarnished in my eyes.
Oh my God. What happened to your date?
I don't know.
Do you go anywhere after that?
We went to the coffee shop.
Good.
We also have opposite tastes in drinks. I like cold drinks, and he likes hot drinks.
It's normal, right?
But the thing is, the waiter brought 2 opposite cups to our order.
So what did you guys do?
We mixed 2 things together.
Oh my God, could you drink it?
It was okay, and it was also quite fun.
Good.
When talking with him, I found out some differences between us.
What is that?
He likes exercising.
Oh, I know you are so lazy.
Right, that is. I just like lying on my bed and watching TV or film, listening to music.
You are so different.
Yes, I have told him that I didn't like doing exercise, but he still asked me to do that.
What did you do?
Can you guess?
Break up with him, I think.
We nearly broke up because I didn't care for him anymore. I ignored him. We didn't text or call for a week.
Wow. How about now? Did you really break up with him?
We are still in love.
What happened after you ignored him?
He was so consistent with me. He usually asked me out for exercising.
But you don't like doing exercise.
After some days of doing exercise with him, I feel my health is better.
I can't believe you can do that. Is this the power of love?
Maybe. And when I was running, I still listen to music and he does.
Wow. So 2 of you do exercise and chill out together.
Right.
When are you going to introduce him to me?
Are you free this weekend? We have planned to play tennis on weekend. If you are free, join with us, and it's time to introduce him.
Sure. I'm willing to.
Five minutes of vocabulary. Curious. Please repeat after me. Curious. Curious. Wanting to know about something.
I'm curious. I'm very curious.
Not obsessing,
Just curious.
Just curious. Could you explain the offside rule?
Nothing. I'm just curious.
You make me so curious about this story. Please tell me the whole story.
Pretend. Please repeat after me. Pretend. Pretend. Acting as if something is true when it is not.
I'm going to pretend I didn't see that.
Jesus! At least pretend you're on the same side.
I feel like I don't need to pretend.
Just pretend like we're talking until the cops leave.
Tease. Please repeat after me. Tease. Tease. To make fun of someone in a playful way.
Jeremy says she's a tease anyway.
That's why you called her a prick tease.
I never said that.
It's normal for children to tease.
Anything you put on this list, you cannot be teased about.
I pretended that I took a cockroach and teased him. He panicked and ran all over the park.
Charming. Please repeat after me. Charming. Charming. Very attractive.
So remember, look at the charm.
Don't forget massively charming.
Well, thanks.
But you are not as charming as you think you are, sir.
Oh, that's charming. It's really charming.
His charming image has been tarnished in my eyes.
Ignore. Please repeat after me. Ignore. Ignore. Paying no attention to something.
Ignore him. He's always been a bully, but that's not who you are.
Look, ignore him. Ignore who?
She'll learn to ignore them just like I did.
Sometimes you have to ignore the rules, ignore the numbers, and concentrate on the people.
I ignored him. We didn't text or call for a week. What happened after you ignored him?
Break up. Please repeat after me. Break up. Break up. Ending a relationship.
Suggestion is stop breaking up.
Break up with him?
No! Maybe. I don't know.
We didn't break up. We never started.
We are never, ever gonna break up.
Can you guess? Break up with him, I think. Wow. How about now? Did you really break up with him?
7 minutes of speaking.
How is it going? You look so happy. Is there anything new in your love? Wow, what is that? Why don't you tell me anything? Okay, tell me. What? Really? What are you saying? Why did you stop telling? You make me so curious about this story. Please tell me the whole story. Sure. Differences, for example? It's a good place for dating. Oh, that's so funny. You are not afraid of it, aren't you? And then?
Oh my god. What happened to your date? Do you go anywhere after that? Good. It's normal, right? So what did you guys do? Oh my god, could you drink it? Good. What is that? Oh, I know, you are so lazy. You are so different. What did you do? Break up with him, I think. Wow. How about now? Did you really break up with him? What happened after you ignored him? But you don't like doing exercise. I can't believe you can do that. Is this the power of love? Wow, so two of you do exercise and chill out together. When are you going to introduce him to me? Sure, I'm willing to.
Three minutes of reviewing. Question 1. Where did Anna and John go for their first date? A. A restaurant. B. A park. C. A coffee shop. The correct answer is B. Question 2. What was John afraid of? A. Dogs. B. Spiders. C. Cockroaches. The correct answer is C. Question 3. What happened when Anna and John received the wrong drinks? A. They sent them back. B. They ordered new drinks. C. They mixed them together. The correct answer is C. Question 4. What activity does John enjoy that Anna doesn't? A. Watching movies. B. Exercising. C. Being cold to her. The correct answer is B. Question 5. What did Anna do after John kept asking her to exercise? A. She started exercising and felt better. B. She broke up with him. C. She ignored him. The correct answer is A. Question 6. What are Anna and John planning to do this weekend? A. Play tennis. B. Go to the movies. C. Go for a hike. The correct answer is A.
Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time practicing English. Please comment what you want to practice in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English practice videos. Goodbye for now.